Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. Bitcoin trades above $19,000. ETH trades below $1,300. Indian crypto exchange WazirX lays off 40% of its employees. Crypto banking platform Juno raises $18 million in Series A funding. Hacker exploits $21 million vulnerability in Transitswap. Major outage affects Coinbase users with US bank accounts. Bitcoin trading volume hits 3-month high as investors abandoned Fiat. Solana SOL trades lower as blockchain suffers outage. Ex-CEO of Celsius withdrew $10 million weeks before company froze customer accounts. Russia supplies Kazakhstan with electricity for cryptocurrency miners. Spanish soccer league La Liga partners with Globant to support Web3 Metaverse initiatives. Bitcoin was up about 1% over the past week at $19,178, while Ether lost a little more than 1% and was trading at $1,286. The global crypto market cap remains at less than $1 trillion, although trading in cryptocurrencies was not so volatile as stocks and bonds. However, in a positive development, sentiment data showed that Bitcoin saw 34,723 of its coins move off exchange on September 30th, indicating what may be a hint of trader confidence heading into Q4. The last time at least this much BTC left exchanges was June 17th, where prices jumped 22% the next 4 weeks. According to forex trader and crypto analyst Eliseo Rastani, the stock market's movements in the next few weeks as traditional markets remained highly volatile throughout. Going forward, the macroeconomic outlook remains challenging, will be critical for determining whether the cryptocurrency market is heading towards a short-term recession or a long-term one. The IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading minus 0.77% at 27,755 points. Indian exchange WazirX has laid off several employees, the company said in a statement shared on Saturday. 50 to as many as 70 employees, or 40% of the exchange workforce of 150, were laid off. The laid-off workers were told on Friday they would be paid for 45 days, they would not be required to report for work henceforth, and their accesses were withdrawn simultaneously. WazirX daily trading volumes have been steadily declining from a one-year high of 478 million on October 28, 2021 to 1.5 million on October 1, 2022. The decline in trading volumes began shortly after India's implementation of harsh crypto tax laws in March 2022. Crypto digital banking firm Juno has raised $18 million in a Series A funding round to expand products and operations and launch its first tokenized loyalty program. This round was led by Parafy Capital's growth fund and included well-known crypto industry figures such as Coinbase Chief Product Officer Surojit Chatterjee, Messari's Ryan Selkis, Polygon Sandeep Nelwal and Jayanti Kanani, and A16Z's Sriram Krishnan. Seed round backers included former Coinbase Chief Technology Officer Balaji Srinivasan and FTX Venu Palaparthi. Juno is a digital banking platform that encourages users to spend cryptos in their everyday transactions. Its flagship product is the Juno card, where users can transact with Circle's stablecoin USDC. Transitswap, a decentralized exchange aggregator, lost $21 million to an exploit after a hacker exploited an internal flaw in its swap contract. The multi-chain DEX announced this on Twitter, along with an apology for the exploit. The announcement also stated that they had obtained the hacker's IP address, email addresses, and associated on-chain addresses. Transitswap also encouraged the hacker to contact them for the funds to be returned. 70% of the stolen funds were returned by the hacker. Coinbase account holders with US bank accounts found themselves unable to conduct transactions on 2nd October. The business identified the issue as one with ACH withdrawals, deposits, and buys failures, and said it is getting ready to fix it. The Automated Clearing House Network, also known as ACH, is a system for electronically moving money between bank accounts in the United States. Furthermore, Coinbase added that affected users on the platform can still make direct purchases using a debit card or PayPal account. In most cases, when fiat currencies underperform, investors usually turn to cryptocurrencies to buy dollarized assets and bypass the traditional banking system. A similar trend was witnessed on September 29th when Bitcoin's trading volume hit its highest level since mid-June to stand at $42.68 billion, on-chain data by Sentiment indicates. Bitcoin volume surge comes at the same time when most global fiat currencies are stumbling against a rampant United States dollar. Sector analysts believe that investors appear to be in a rush to dump the fiat currency, with Bitcoin viewed as a hedge and also take advantages of the arbitrage opportunities. However, the sudden surge in trading volume has failed to pump prime the asset's price, which continues to be outweighed by the prevailing macroeconomic factors like high inflation and increased interest rates. Bitcoin was trading at $19,152, up 1.8% in last 7 days. The proof-of-stake blockchain Network Solana suffered another outage on September 30th, and the network restart did not take effect until 6 hours later on October 1st. This incident marks the fourth time Solana is experiencing a major outage this year. Despite the resolution, Solana's latest outage lasted for 8 hours, has earned the network a reputation in the cryptocurrency world for its frequent blackouts, and several proponents of the chain have pointed to this trend as a reason to avoid the chain. Solana has suffered a myriad of network outages during the last year, and the blockchain's latest downtime caused the network's native currency to slide 1.5% lower against the US dollar in the last 24 hours. Alex Mashinsky, the embattled founder and former CEO of Celsius Network, removed $10 million from the now bankrupt crypto lender weeks before Celsius halted customer withdrawals in June. Mashinsky, who resigned as CEO September 27th Eastern Time, withdrew the cryptocurrency in May. Celsius is supposed to submit details about Mashinsky's transactions to the court in a few days as part of a wider financial disclosure by the company. A Mashinsky spokesperson said that the entrepreneur had disclosed to an unsecured creditors committee in the bankruptcy proceedings that he and his family had $44 million in crypto frozen with Celsius following the withdrawal. The spokesperson said that Mashinsky withdrew a percentage of cryptocurrency in his account, much of which was used to pay state and federal taxes. Russia is looking to bolster Kazakhstan's energy demands in an amendment of the partnership between the two nations, as a means to provide electricity to miners within the former Soviet Republic member state. The move comes amidst growing demand for electricity by crypto miners in Kazakhstan as mining activities see an uptick. The development was uncovered by Russia media platform RBC in a recent report. As per the report, the Russian government has demanded a modification of the binational energy agreements between the two bordered countries. This development follows the Russian government's order on the matter. The amendment seeks to ensure the parallel operations of both countries' energy system. As a product of the recently engineered modification, Russia will be supplying sufficient energy to Kazakhstan, especially for its cryptocurrency mining operations. Russia seeks to facilitate this move through one of its largest energy holding companies, InterRAO. InterRAO's relevance in this move is due to the fact that it serves as Russia's sole energy import-export contractor. La Liga, the premier soccer league organization in Spain, has announced a partnership with Globant, an Argentine software giant, to bring Web3 and Metaverse experiences to its fans. The partnership will combine Globant's tech resources with La Liga's tech division in order to build products to expand the reach of the organization in the digital realm. These new additions would come to complement the current digital offer of La Liga's tech division, which currently includes fantasy gaming, web designing and development, and other areas. That's all in this bulletin for now. Keep watching 3.0 TV.